Hey everyone, welcome back to Quick Helper. Today, let me show you how you can add hyperlink in Excel. First, select the cell that you want to add the hyperlink into. Then go to the top, click on Insert, go over to the right, and find the option for link. You'll get this pop-up where you can click link to an existing file or web page, a place in this document, or create a new document or an email. In this case, I've got a web address. So I'll click in the address box, right click, and press paste. Then click OK. See, we've now hyperlinked it. Now when the text is clicked, they're taken to the link directly. And there you go. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.